Hi everyone. Now that you have your lead magnet ready, you can start to create a sign-up form for your homepage and start building your list. But how to create your sign-up form and what are the things to watch out for? Yeah, we will discuss all that in today's video. There are many types of sign-up forms. I'll discuss the most basic type that will be suitable for your homepage. First of all, you must know that there are 5 elements of a sign-up form, and they are the title, the value proposition, the lead magnet, which is the incentive for people to join your mailing list, the form fields, and the CTA, which is the call to action. You can see the sign-up form on my website as an example. Yeah, it has all the elements that I've mentioned earlier. The thing about sign-up forms is that you never know what really works for your target audience. So what you can do is, it's a good idea to do A/B testing to see what works and what doesn't work and what works best. One known fact is that the less form fields you have, the higher the conversion. So ask only for data that you need. For example, in my sign-up form, I only ask for name and email address. And don't forget to have double opt-in. It helps to make sure that you get the correct and valid email addresses from your subscribers. Plus, you make sure you are given permission to email your list. Keep the form fields to a minimum. For example, some forms just ask for email address. The less info you ask for, the more sign-ups you may get. If you need more details from your subscribers, you can always ask for that later. So another thing is to make your value proposition clear. Users need to know what is in it for them. So state that very clearly. Go straight to the point. And lastly, keep it simple. Do keep the copy and the design simple. When it's easy to understand, users are more likely to sign up. Different email marketing providers have different processes and ways to help you create a sign-up form. I use GetResponse and I find it very easy to create one. There are templates for you to choose and you can easily modify them to suit your branding. I will do another video about GetResponse and I'll go into more details about this in the future. So remember to subscribe to get updates and watch that upcoming video. These days, it's so easy to add a sign-up form on your homepage. After you create the sign-up form, you are given a code. Copy the code and paste it on your homepage or any page on your website. And voila, the sign-up form will appear on your site. Besides adding a sign-up form to your homepage, you can add sign-up forms on landing pages, social media, and many other online channels. The idea is to get the sign-up to get the sign-up form spread across places where your audience are at, and get as many sign-ups as possible. So, do you have any questions about this topic about creating a sign-up form for your homepage? Let me know in the comments below. I will be more than happy to help and answer you. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.